Good morning, student. Welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Now we are going to the lesson number 14, transportation in plant and the circulations in animal. Last previous two classes all finished the transportation and the translocation, then heart, blood WBC, RBC. Now we are going to the topic of the type of blood circulation. Already last class on structure of heart. The heart is a pumping organ. There are double membrane structures of the pericardium. Pericardium fluid with the filled with the inner of the heart, and then four chambers are present. Two are the left auricle and right auricle, left ventricle and right ventricles. Last previous class we are studying the structure of heart. Now we are going to the type of blood circulation. What is the type? What is the blood circulation? The blood circulations in our body as the oxygenated and deoxygenated of the blood. It's clear that the blood circles in our body as the oxygenated and deoxygenated of in our blood. Next, this is here three types of circulation. Three types of circulation. First one is here systemic. First one is here systemic circulation, and then systemic circulation. Second one pulmonary circulation. Third one is a coronary circulation. So these are all the types of the circulation. It's clear. First of all, blood circulation is in our body oxygenated to deoxygenated of the blood. Then three types of the circulation: systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, and then last one is a coronary circulation. One by one, I will explain that. Systemic circulation. First I show the diagram, then after I will one by one. Okay? Okay, listen children. You see the diagram, systemic and pulmonary circulation. You look here, systemic and pulmonary circulation. First, systemic circulation. First, the systemic circulation of the oxygenated of the blood. Listen carefully. Oxygenated from the blood of the left ventricle. First of all, left ventricle of heart to various organ of the body. It's clear. And return to the deoxygenated of the blood, the right atrium. First one is here left ventricle oxygenated of the blood. Then again this is a return of the deoxygenated of the blood is the right atrium. It's clear. Next one is here pulmonary. Pulmonary is the path of the pulmonary circulators. They start the right ventricle. I explain the detail next detail form. Just you see the diagram. The path of the pulmonary circulation starts in the right ventricle. Next, coronary circulation. This is a supply of the blood to heart of the muscles. That is called a cardiac muscle. It's clear? Okay. Once again, I explain the systemic circulation. What is the systemic circulation? All you see the diagram. Once again, the circulation of the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to various organ of the body, or to the various organ of the body, and return to the deoxygenated of the blood in the right auricle. It's clear. Oxygenated first of all left ventricle, and then upper part of the heart with the various organ, then after return to the deoxygenated of the blood. It's clear. Next one is here pulmonary circulation. The path of the pulmonary circulation is the right ventricle. Right ventricle is the part of the pulmonary artery. Then is again the lungs with during the deoxygenated of the blood. Then again lungs and during the deoxygenate of the blood with the pulmonary circulation. Next one is coronary circulation. What is this? This is a supply of the blood into the heart muscle. It's clear. This is a supply of the blood to the Heart with the muscles, this is called a cardiac muscles. Only for the coronary arteries, only supply for the heart. That is called a cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles is called the coronary circulation. Very, very important one. The 2 mark questions will be asking the question. What is the define the coronary systemic of the circulation? It's clear. Next we are going to next topic, heartbeat. You know heartbeat? Heartbeat on the complete contraction and relaxation of the atrium. Contraction and relaxation of the atrium. So one complete contraction, that is called the systole. Contraction means a systole and relaxation means a diastole. So one complete contraction, systole, and relaxation, that means a diastole of the atrium. It's clear? Of the atrium and ventricle of the heart. It's clear? Next, the heartbeat. The heartbeat normally the beats 70 to 75 per minute to the per minute time per minute. The heartbeat normally beating 72 to 75 times per minute. It's clear? So once again, heartbeat, the complete for the contraction and relaxation of the left ventricle, left and right atrium. It's clear? Normally the heartbeat is 72 to 75 times per minute of the beating the heart. It's normally. It's clear? Next, heartbeat. That is 2 types of heartbeat. One is a neurogenic. One is a neurogenic, and then next one is another one is a myogenic. Neurogenic and myogenic of the heartbeat. What is the neurogenic? That is called a nerve impulsions. Nerve is stimulating the nerve impulses of the neurogenic heartbeat. Then another one is a heart muscles fiber is a myogenic of the heartbeat. It's clear? Neurogenic and myogenic. That is called a nerve impulsion of the neurogenic. Only the heart muscles fibers of the myogenic. Next we are going to the pulse. Pulse, you know pulse. When the heart beat, blood is forced into the arteries. When the heart beat, the blood is forced into the arteries. That is called the pulse. So then again, pulse is normal rate range of the every human body 70 to 90 minutes. It's clear? Once again, normal is a 1 mark question. Normal pulse rate, the range from dash 70 to 90 minutes. Then again, the heartbeat normally beats dash times per minute 72 to 75 minutes. It's clear? Next, we are going to cardiac cycle. What is the cardiac cycle? The sequence of event from the occurring from the beginning of the completion. Beginning the completion of the heartbeat is called. Heartbeat is called the cardiac cycle. So that is called the how many cycles? This is 3 types of the cycles. From this 1 or 2 and the various of the seconds will be beating the heart. It's clear? The sequence of event occurring from the beginning of the completion of the one heartbeat is a cardiac cycle. First one is a arterial systole. So that is called a 0.1 seconds will be beating. Next, ventricular systole. 0.3 seconds will be the beating. Next, ventricular diastole 0.4 second. So this is a cardiac cycles of the heartbeat will the cardiac cycle. Next, very, very important one, heartbeat. What is the heartbeat? The rhythmic of closer. It's a lap tap. So the rhythmic of the closer and the opening of the valves from the cause the sound of the heart. First sound is a lub. This is a long duration of the is a left auricles and ventricles. Tricuspid value is a pumping of the lub. This is called a long duration. Second one is a dub. Second sound, dub. So this is a shorter duration. This is the short duration from the dub. So lub, dub. So that is called a hot sound. It's clear? Listen. Next we are going to the stethoscope. I show the one instrument. This is a stethoscope. All you see stethoscope. Then first of all this is a earpiece and ear tubes. This is a ear tubes and then this is a tube. Then next is stem. That is called a stem. Listen, stem and then belt. It's clear. I explained that the stethoscope. Look here. Stethoscope. What is the stethoscope? The stethoscope is detect and the sound produced by the internal organs. It's clear. First point, the stethoscope is used to detect the sound will be internal organs of the body, internal organs of the human body. It's clear. Next one, the heart sound is heard by the placing the stethoscope on the chest region. Stethoscope on the chest region will the hearing the heart. Okay. Next, the heart sound is heard by the placing the stethoscope on the chest region from chest region. Okay. Next, it is useful to diagnostic tools and to the identify the localize of the health problem and then diagnosis of the disease. The last one, listen carefully. It is useful of the diagnostic of the tools from the identify what the disease will be diagnosed of the stethoscope. The localize the health problem and diagnose the disease. So these are the important point of the stethoscope. Okay, stethoscope. 5 more question. Stethoscope. A stethoscope is used to detect and the sound produced by the internal organs of the human body. Next one is here. The heart sound is heard by the placing the stethoscope on the chest region. It's clear. Next, it is useful to diagnostics of the stools. Identify the localize the disease. What the heart health problem, heart problem, and then diagnosis of the disease will be found the stethoscope. It's clear. Next I show the another one diagram, sphygmomanometer. So that is what is this? This is a clinical instrument of the used to the blood pressure. Blood pressures with this using to the measuring for the blood pressure. So that is the sphygmomanometer. When a person is relaxed and resting of the condition, the pressure will be the brachial artery is measured. It helps only for the estimate the blood circulation and working of the heart. Is clear? Very, very important. Blood circulation and the working of the heart. It helps to the diagnose condition of the decrease and the blood pressure. Increase and decrease the blood pressure level. So this is called a apparatus of the measure of the blood pressure. It's clear. Next we are going to blood group. This is a last topic, blood group. First of all, the concept of the blood group is first of all developed by the Karl Landsteiner. This is discovered of the blood group. The concept of the blood, the grouping was a developed form of the Karl Steiner. Is a discovered the blood group. So the human body is the 4 types of the blood group is divided into the 4 types of the blood group. Identified the group is A, B and A and O, AB. Once again A, B and O, AB. So these are all the human blood contain for the only the specific for the antigen, AG antigen. Substances is called the antigen. Blood group is only contain the specific antigen present in the human body. Next one is a lymph. So that is called the is a colorless of the fluid formed from the only from the plasma region. Colorless and formed the plasma region. Listen children, points to remember. Then transportation in the transportation plant and circulation animals. First one is a diffusion, higher concentration to lower concentration. The energy is called the diffusion. Next one is a osmosis process. Third one is a transpiration, evaporation, stomata region, excess water excrete the plant. So that is called the evaporation region. And then circulatory system. What are they? This consisted of the circulatory of the fluid, blood, lymph and the heart and the blood vessels and capillary. These are all the circulatory systems. Next one is a blood contain the two component. One is a plasma and another one is a formed element. So plasma region is a fluid liquid formation, and then another one is a formed element is a RBC, WBC and then blood platelets, erythrocyte, leukocyte, thrombocyte. So that is called the formed of the event. Next one is a heart. The heart is a muscular pumping organs in the heart. That is a double membranes are covered with the pericardium. This is a pericardiate fluid or formed the inner part of the heart. Next one is a four chambers are presented. Next one is a circulation. First of all, today this class is circulation. The human body, the circulatory system has the oxygenate and deoxygenate of the in our body. Next one is here the supply of the heart muscles from the cardiac muscles, and first one is here systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation, then coronary circulation. Coronary disease will be from the muscular organs, cardiac muscles. Next one is here complete the condition of the contraction and relaxation. Diastole and systoles. So that is called the heartbeat. Okay, is the ventricles, atrium and ventricles is a heart is called the heartbeat. Next event of the sequence of the event from the only for the beginning or the heartbeat, that is called the cardiac cycle. Okay, next one topic, blood pressure is expressed the systemic and diastolic pressure. First of all, the pressure is a 120 mm by 80. This is a constant of the blood pressure. Okay, this is a diastolic pressure is a 120 mm by 80 mm Hg. So, and next one, the blood group is a four types of blood group, A, B and AO, AB. So this is a human body is a four types of the blood group will be formed. Group of the blood individual as one of the blood group. Next, the lymph that is called a fluid. What is the lymph is colorless of the fluid, only form the plasma region. So these are all the content of the lesson number 14, transportation in plant and circulation in animals. Listen children, coming soon, quarterly exam, you are all well prepared the exam. Thank you.